Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna the reason why I'm not showing much of my face is because you know that I have 5 likes in my video that I dyed my hair. So the reason why I want to dye my hair is because of I got 5 likes on other video. So so I'm gonna reveal my hair in 3, 2, 1. Look at it, it's red. So the reason why it's red is because the store that my mom went. Don't know why I call it. Yeah, I call mommy, but what? Don't judge me. But my mom go to the store with Dollar General. She went to Dollar General and then she found just red, yellow, and purple. That's all she could find. Not blue. Sorry. But instead, there's red. Yeah. Okay. I just need a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. So this video today, I'm going to show you all the Rubik's Cubes I have. So, yeah. I'm mostly a Rubik's Cuber, maybe. But, yeah. I'm going to show you all the Rubik's Cubes I have. Alright. The first one I like the most is... Oh, you don't know. I have 4. But, yeah. I think my favorite is this one. The 3x3. Yes, it's a Rubik's brand, and, yeah. It's pretty good, it's just that I keep on forgetting. Oh, I remember that I did a video last time about my Rubik's Cubes, but this is the part 2, so yeah. Yeah, I just remembered I just made a video that, I made a video about my Rubik's Cubes, but this is part 2, okay? I totally forgot. So, okay, my favorite Rubik's Cube is this one, so, yeah. My second favorite, which is it's the pyramids. Yeah, it's kind of like cool and everything, but, yeah. So, that's, my thing right there. Yep. How do I solve it? Yeah, I didn't like just turn things and yeah, but you see these triangle things right there? I took that off and then took all these edges off, and then I solved that, the circle things at the middle, you know? And yeah, when I solve it like that, you know what I'm talking about, so yeah. That's nice. So that's my third favorite. Now my fourth favorite. Wait, that's not my third favorite. That's my second favorite. My fourth favorite is either one of these two. I think this one. This one's my fourth favorite. Why am I thinking of fourth? I don't know. But this is my fourth favorite because there's so many colors I can't even solve it. It's so hard. Yeah. Sometimes I can't even solve a color. Yeah, I'm mostly like a non-cuber. Just doesn't know how to solve things that can't be solved. And yeah, I want to see if I can like try to solve it or something. So Okay. This is what I got. That yellow needs to go away. So, let's try this. There we go. Now I saw the color. It was just that one spot. Alright, my fourth favorite is this small Rubik's Cube because it's really hard to like spin it a little, and I can't do it like that thing, you know? But yeah, there's why I can't. This is my fourth favorite, and I don't like it a lot because when I like try to like turn it, this is so small that I can't even like turn it a lot. So yeah, my least favorite. Yeah, that's my fourth favorite. Fourth favorite. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, like this video, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Yep, let my hair see it. Yay. Yeah. So bye. Like, subscribe.